Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Andrew Roberts here with Tree Homes Construction and Remodeling. Hopefully we have a little bit of time where the dogs aren't barking around us. I'm here with my good friend Zach Vargas, who is the GC/general contractor for Tree Homes Construction and Remodeling.
Hey everybody.
And we are at 5005 Peril Path here in South Austin, and we're super excited. This is our latest project and we can't wait to show you guys all the renovations that we made. So let's head on in. Hey everybody, welcome into the house. Let's talk to Zach and see all the renovations that we made on this house. Hey Zach.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
So in this house is all brand new flooring.
Okay.
Popcorn on the ceilings was scraped and reshot.
Right.
All of the walls are completely skimmed out and reshot with new texture. So basically like brand new walls, brand new ceiling, brand new flooring.
Right.
We also went with 1x4 baseboards all throughout.
Okay,
so all
cool.
brand new baseboards, everything was ripped out.
Sure.
A new coat of paint, obviously. We ended up taking out, there was a wall, existing wall here.
Right here.
So now there is a beam running all of the way across.
Yeah.
And now that this is structurally sound, we were able to open up the kitchen completely.
Okay.
And have it just an open concept all throughout the house.
Yeah, I love how you walk in and it's just everything all in this room. It makes it feel so big, and then the high ceilings with the beam.
Exactly.
Makes it feel very open, very homey and spacious. That's awesome. So let's move into the kitchen.
Okay.
And show us what you did. First of all, I love this shiplap right here on the island. That's really cool.
It's our little touch we like to do on a lot of our islands. Whether we go with just the white simple or like a wood look, we love to throw the shiplap on.
Cool. So what else did you guys do in here? New countertops?
New countertops, all new cabinets.
Okay.
Backsplash.
Right.
We added can lights in the kitchen to kind of brighten everything up.
Sure, yeah.
Open everything up, make it look nice and clean.
Yep. New light fixtures?
Yes.
These chandeliers are very cool.
New light fixtures.
Modern, but also a little bit rustic at the same time, which is really cool. That's awesome.
So yeah, we ended up, so this was a wall here. So once that was gone, we were able to open up the kitchen and push it back.
Okay.
And added the laundry and pantry on this back side and close in the garage. So we took some of the garage, but we were able to open up the kitchen a little bit and give some more space to the house.
Gotcha. That's awesome. Okay, well let's head into the laundry room. So you guys completely changed the layout of this part of the house, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the garage door was around in this area. So we were able to close that in, make the kitchen a little bigger, and we added this new wall right here behind you. Okay. We had to build into the garage and eat some of the garage away, but we were able to make the house a little bigger without really taking too much away from the garage. Sure. It was pretty much dead space anyways. Right. So it was just a no-brainer almost. Yeah. So we were able to washer and dryer here. Yep. Pantry shelving. Right. And able to move the back door over here. That's awesome. So we were able to get a lot out of this space by just honestly just closing in this wall and adding just a little bit to the garage. Yeah. So it worked out for everybody in the end. That's awesome. I feel like today a lot of laundry rooms are very small and compact, and people don't really get the chance to appreciate or really know how nice it is to have a big laundry room like this. Exactly. And I think that's just one feature that people were really going to take notice when they're walking through the house. Definitely. Yeah. All right. Well, let's head to my favorite part of the house, the master bedroom. So coming out of the living room, we have our spare 2 bedrooms to the right, and then our master right here to the left. That's awesome. So tell us what you did in here. Okay, so just like the rest of the bedrooms, all brand new flooring. Yeah. The click and lock, laminate flooring, pretty simple. Scraped all the ceilings in here too as well. Brand new fresh coats of paint. New baseboards throughout, pretty much just like the whole house. Right, yeah. I mean, I love the color paint that you guys picked, and obviously I love the tall ceilings in here, which is synonymous with the living room. It just makes it feel so big and open. But my favorite part of this house are these 2 doors. Yes, so like the rest of the house, they are 5-panel doors. But our idea behind this was the master bathroom isn't huge to begin with, so this was a great idea to be able to be most efficient with our space. Yeah, definitely. And so not having a door that opens into the restroom, this is the next best option, and cosmetically I think it looks great. Yeah, it looks beautiful, and it is efficient as far as space is concerned. So tell us about what you guys did in the bathroom. Okay. So the bathroom was a project in itself because it was to begin with, the vanity was here where I'm standing now. Okay. And so we had to maximize our space, and we wanted to try to get a double vanity here one way or another. But we knew the format wise we had to make this vanity be able to sit here. Yeah. So move some plumbing around, make this work. Right. Had to move some plumbing around to make sure we could get a walk-in shower here as well, and then our toilet here.
Definitely.
So it was a little bit of a project, kind of moving all the plumbing, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And one of our features that we like to do in all of our houses is the shiplap. So right behind the vanity, our shiplap is one of the best things.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I mean, you guys crushed it. The bathroom, I mean, this is like just my favorite part of the house in general. The shiplap is awesome. These doors are awesome. I'm very proud that you guys were able to get, you know, the double vanity in here and really make the space very efficient. So once again, you guys crushed it. Zach, thank you so much for showing us the house. Really appreciate it. We'll see you guys outside.
Okay, so one of the things that we did on the exterior of the house was replace almost all of the siding.
Oh, wow.
So when we went through, we replaced all the siding, pulled it off, caulked all the holes, make sure it was exterior ready. Okay. And went and go ahead and put a fresh coat of paint on everything, including the brick. Right. We decided to paint the brick after all, and I'm really glad we did, because I think it made the house look a lot more welcoming. Definitely, yeah. The white makes it bright, makes it more inviting, so you guys did a great job on that. Also, that roof looks good, dude. Yeah, we replaced the roof. Yeah. Instead of, there was a couple leaks in it, so instead of patching it, we just decided to just rip off the whole thing and replace the whole new roof. Right. So that's awesome. Quality roof. That's awesome, man. Instead of patching those holes. Well, you guys, I mean, did a great job as always. Zach, thank you so much for, obviously doing the house first of all, and then also for, you know, showing everybody the house. It looks great. So guys, please like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any inquiries for our construction and remodeling, please give us a call anytime. Zach is going to take care of you guys. Until next time, we'll see you guys later, okay?